Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on writing in bold text on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. There is no way to make text bold when using the Facebook text editor, but you can use the method I will show you to paste bold text into Facebook. I will be showing you how to do this on the Facebook app, but it will be the same steps on desktop too. Open up the Facebook app or website and go to make a post like you usually would. When you get to the part of the post that you would like to make bold, open up a web browser. In the web browser, go to yatext.com/bold-italic. Scroll down to the text box and type in the text that you would like to make bold. You now have a few different bold and bold italic text options. Choose the text that you like the most and then tap on copy to the right of the text. Now you just need to go back to your Facebook post and paste the text into your post. When you post your post or comment, it will be bold. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.